How's it going, everyone? Landon here with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be taking a quick look at this smoked ultra clear headlight kit, as well as showing you guys how to install a set into your 1999 to 2004 Lightning. If you're a second-gen Lightning owner out there and you are wanting to upgrade the overall look of your truck, or you're wanting to replace a set of damaged or oxidized headlights, then this smoked ultra clear headlight kit is probably going to appeal to you. Now, out of the box, you're going to get a driver and passenger side headlight with a pre-installed bulb and retainer. You're also going to get a driver and passenger side marker, and of course, you are going to have to reuse your factory bulb. Now, taking a closer look at the headlight, you'll notice that the lens is lightly smoked and that the housing is a very good looking matte black. Now, on the back side of the headlight, all of the adjusters are pre-installed. That way you can properly and easily dial in the angle of your headlight beam. Moving over to the side marker now, you'll notice that it's going to share the same similarities and characteristics as the headlight. Underneath the bulb reflector housing, you'll notice there's an amber reflector. Of course, that is there so that this headlight kit remains DOT compliant. As far as fitment goes, this will fit 1999 to 2004 Lightnings, and it's going to fit 1997 to 2004 Heritage model F-150s. To begin the install, pop the hood. Take this time to apply painter's tape to the surrounding edge of the grille shell. This will help protect the paintwork from possible scuffs and scratches while removing and installing your headlights. Locate and remove the T20 torque screw, securing the park light to the header panel. Gently remove the park light from the header panel. Disconnect the electrical connection. Pull up on both of the headlight retaining clips to dislodge them from the adjusters. Gently pull out on the headlight and then disconnect the electrical connection. On the old park light, rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise and then remove it. Remove the protective tape from the new park light. Position the bulb and socket into the light. Rotate clockwise to lock it into place. I'm choosing to transfer my factory speed clips. These are easily removed with a flathead screwdriver. The park light is now ready for reinstallation, so go ahead and set it aside. Make note of each adjuster on your old light. Set each of the adjusters on your new light so that they closely mimic the old adjusters. Whenever the correct setting is achieved, ensure that the grooves on the plastic adjuster dowel is facing up and down. This will allow the headlight retaining clip to properly seat. Position the headlight into place. Reconnect the electrical connection. Align the slots on the adjusters with the rails on the header panel. Carefully install the headlight. Make sure all of the dowels pass through the retaining clips. Push down on the retaining clips to lock the headlight into place. Reposition the park light and reconnect the electrical connection. Carefully slide it into place. Go ahead and reinstall and retighten the T20 torque screw. Go ahead and repeat these steps for the other side. At this point, be sure and reference our simple video on how to properly align your new headlights in your F-150. After that, you're all finished. Wrapping everything up here, guys, as far as the install is concerned, it's pretty straightforward. As I showed you in the installation steps, be sure and tape the outer area of your grille shell that surrounds both the headlight and the park light. I really like the way this headlight kit looks in my silver 2000 Lightning. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang, and of course, SVT Lightning.